Hello, this is Mrs. Scarple, and in this video we're going to take a look at finding surface area of solid figures. In each of these shapes we're going to have triangles or rectangles, and we're going to break them apart so that we can pay attention to the different shapes that make up the 3D model. So if we look at this first one, this base, I know that two of the sides are marked as 4 feet, so that means this shape is a square, and it's also our base since this is a pyramid. Pyramids have one base and then they have triangular sides. So we're going to start by finding the area of our base, and when we do that we're going to have, because it's a square, we're going to have that the area is going to equal 4 times 4, which is 16 square feet. Then we're asked what's the area of one of the triangles. Since our base is a square, all of the triangles have a base of 4, and they're going to have a height of 5.4. Now the formula for finding the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. So we're going to have 4 times 5.4 and divide that by 2. 4 times 5.4 is 21.6. Divide that by 2 and we have 10.8 square feet for one triangle. To find the total area, I have the 16 square feet for the base, plus we have 4 triangles, so that's going to be 4 times 10.8. Simplify this, we have 16 plus 43.2 for a total area of 59.2 square feet. And as we find our surface area of all of our shapes, we can break it down. What's the base? What are the triangles? Or if it's the case of a prism, what's the area of the base? What's the area of one of the rectangles? And go on from there. So here's another pyramid. This time the shape of the base is a triangle, and the height of that triangle that's our base is 3.5 feet, and the base is 4. So let's start with the base area for this pyramid. Remember, for a triangle it's going to be base times height divided by 2. So 4 times 3.5, divide that by 2. 4 times 3.5 is 14. Divide that by 2 and we have 7 square feet. Our triangles all have a base of 4 and they're going to have a height of 7.1. So one triangle area is going to be base of 4, height of 7.1, and divide that by 2. So we have 28.4, divide that by 2, and we have 14.2 square feet. So the total area is going to equal the base plus 3 triangles. So the base was 7 square feet plus 3 times the area of one of those triangles meeting at the common point is 14.2. So 7 plus 3 times 14.2 is 42.6. 7 plus 42.6 is 49.6 square feet. Our next shape is a rectangular prism, and we see that we have two bases, a top and a bottom, that are going to have dimensions of 11 by 9. So we're going to find the area of the top and bottom, and that's how I'm going to say it. Or I should just say top or bottom, because I'm only going to find one for now. Is base times height, or length times width, is 9 times 11, which is 99 square inches. Then we have the area of the front or back. So we have 8 times 9. The front is 8 high, 9 across, 72 square inches. And the area of the left side or right side has 8 by 11 inches, or 88 square inches. So to find the total area, we're going to have 2 of everything. So 2 times 99, 2 times 72, and 2 times 88. 2 times 99 is 198. 2 times 72 is 144. 2 times 88 is 176. Add these values together, and we have a total of 518 square inches. And for our last shape, again, our base is going to be a triangle. So I'm going to say triangular base. And now this could be tricky. You might want to do the 8 by the 7, but the height of a triangle is always perpendicular to the base, and we can see from our diagram that this side is 11 yards. So to find the area of the triangular base, we need to take 11 times 7 and divide it by 2. So that's 77 divided by 2 is 38.5. So that's one of the triangular bases. We're going to have 3 different rectangles. So I'm going to say the front is 8 by 12, so 8 times 12 is 96, and these are all square yards. Anytime you have area, it's square units. On the left, we have 11 by 12, which is 132 square yards. And then we have the rectangle on the right is 10 by 12, or 120 square yards. So to find the total area, we need to multiply 2 times 38.5 and add 96, 132, and 120. 2 times 38.5 is 77. And when we add all of these values together, we get 425 square yards. So finding surface area is really finding the area of each side, each shape that creates a side, and adding them all together.